Today I wanted to test out some new makeup. And as you know, getting near the holidays, a lot of makeup companies and a lot of makeup brands, they tend to put out a lot more of their holiday sets, as we would say. So it's not really special products here and there. It's usually holiday sets, gift sets that are being put out. And that is one of my favorite things about the holidays is the makeup sets. I mean, come on, duh. L.a.Colors, of course, they have got a few of their sets out. And they have these. This is the L.a.Colors Nude Metallic Lip Shine. Now, it says it is a 3-piece metallic finish color set. Now, I was thinking they were liquid lipsticks because it says liquid color, but on the bottom it is, of course, lip glosses. So they have one with very dark, vampy colors, and of course one like this with nudes. And me being a nude gal, I got the nudes, and I don't know why I didn't get the other box. But anyways, guys, we are going to be testing these out today, trying them on, and seeing how they perform. So if you want to find out what these babies got, just keep watching. How are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody is well. Now, before we get started, for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy. Welcome to the video. All right, guys, you have seen the title and you heard the intro. We are trying and testing out the L.a.Colors Metallic Lip Shine sets. Now, these are a 3-piece set. There will be 3 lippies in it. They had nude, and I think the other one was called berry. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it was called berry. And it had very dark, vampy colors. Now, these are supposed to be metallic lip glosses. So we are going to test them out, see how they wear by themselves, see about how long they wear, or see if they just make a good topper. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and break into this kit. Now, first I want to tell you this kit was $3. That's it. So that's $1 a piece. So very good pricing. And usually L.a.Colors, they will surprise you. They really do have some really great products. Don't let the price fool you. I went for the nude set because, you know, come on, I'm boring. I'm always wearing nudes. Now it does, I don't know what these are for, but it says shimmer finish, metallic finish, and multi-dimensional look. Now I don't know if that is the layers or different kind of lippies that they have. I don't know. So on the back, it shows you a little guide to how to use them. Thanks, L.a.Colors. I might have been in trouble there for a minute. This is, of course, called the Nude Metal Lips. And again, $1 a piece, guys. This little set was $3. Now let's go ahead and get her open. No, I have not opened this one yet. I know what y'all are thinking. I know what y'all are thinking. Y'all are like, oh my gosh, she opens everything before she even films it. This one, guys, I didn't. I did not open this one at all, so it might take me an extra minute. All right, guys, I think I got it, and I got my little handy dandy right there, because we are fixing to wear my lips out. So cute. I love their packaging in the holidays. All right, now we got 3 colors. The first one is kind of like a brownie nude, but with like a peach shift. So I think that is very adorable. I don't think they have names for themselves. No, they don't name them individually. I don't know why. I think that would be so cute if they would name them individually. So this one is more of a peachy colored brown nude. Now, the next one is more of a pinky rosy nude, which is gorgeous and I think looks a lot better on me than the peachy nudes. That one is just as gorgeous. And then the last one is a little bit darker. I wouldn't consider this one a nude. This is more of a purple violet, and it's got all kinds of little flecks. It looks like blue glitter, all kinds of different colors in that one. Now, I don't think the glitter is too big and chunky. Let's open one of these up and see. It's actually just like little flecks. It's not no big bulky glitter. Guys, these smell just like vanilla. The smell is amazing. Let me tell you that. Now, I've done the rest of my makeup, but I did not put anything on my lips because I wanted to test these out. I want to see if they could be worn alone. I want to see if you need a lip liner. I want to see if it just makes a good topper. And I want to find out how long they wear for. So, L.a.Colors, you got it to do. Let's go ahead and test these bad boys out. Now, guys, the first one, I want to go ahead. I'm going to save the dark one for the last because I'm not sure about stain wise. Now, again, these are just lip glosses, so there shouldn't be any stain left behind. But, you know, every once in a while you'll get those ones where it will leave a tint on your lips. So I want to start with the peachy one. This is the peachy brown one. We're going to start with that. And of course, I will show you swatches and all of that stuff. And again, I do not have nothing on my lips. Absolutely nothing. So I am going to try it first by itself. Guys, that's kind of pretty. Now, I know these are like rough swatches, so I don't have no liner, no nothing on my lips. Guys, the color of this one I absolutely love. And it's kind of cute with that eye look. I think I need something a little bit darker underneath. But it goes on very smooth. It just glides on. Now, I did have to dip into it again to get the top lip. I done my bottom lip first. So I did have to dip into it again. So it's not really that thick of a formula. But it feels like you're putting on a liquid lip. Now, I've had this on for a couple of minutes. I don't feel any dry down. It feels very comfortable. It is not sticky at all. Not even when I first applied it, there was no tackiness to it. Now, it has completely dried down, guys, and I've only had this on for about a minute. So, this is dried down, and I think that is absolutely gorgeous, and yeah, go figure. And I do really love the color of this one. This might be the one I'll wear with my eye look today. I'm not sure. Now, I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off, and then I'm going to lay a lip color down and then put it on top. See how it does as a topper. I am going to go ahead and tell you, getting it off is hard. You're going to need some kind of maybe a lip oil or something like that, because if you could look right here, I can't even get this off. Let's go ahead and lay down a shade, see what she does with it. Now, I don't want to be too rough on my lips today, so I'm not going to lay down a liquid lip to put up under this, just because liquid lip and this, seeing how hard it is to get this off, I'm just going to lay down a bullet lipstick. This is a nude shade lipstick, and it's Mellow Cosmetics. It's one of my favorite stick lipsticks. I love it. Okay, again, this is like a little pinky nude, so we're going to test it out on top of that and see what she does. Guys, I think on top of a dark color, I think this would be absolutely gorgeous or worn alone. So that is it for this one, guys. Again, the formula is wonderful. It's just taking it off. You're going to need something a little bit extra, or else you're going to tear up your lips. So now we're going to move to the next shade. I'm going to use this one right here. Now, this is the pink rosy nude. So let's go ahead and get into this one. Got to get this one off if I can. All right, guys. Now let's go ahead and test this one out. See what she's got. Ooh. Guys, I kind of like this one. Alright guys, now this one is on, and I just cannot see how this is considered metallic. This don't look like it has any shine to it at all. Maybe just a little, but not much, but I do love the color. The color is absolutely stunning. I love this one. And it don't really go with the eye look, so of course I won't be wearing this one today. Now I'm going to take it off, or try to take it off, and put a color up underneath it to see how it does as a topper. And guys, again, this is getting all over my teeth, so, which, I mean, that's not really a shock to me. So, same lipstick. It's about the same shade, too. Yeah, guys, I don't know why they're saying this one's metallic. I mean, I see the shine, but it's not metallic. Look at that. Oh, my God. Very beautiful, though. All right, guys, I'm going to get this off, and we're going to the next. Guys, my lips are really taking a beating. All right, now we're going to the darkest shade. That is this purpley plum. It looks like it's got blue in it. Ooh. Ooh. Guys, very pretty. I like this one. I do like it. Now, that is a little bit bold for a lip gloss. Ooh, that'd be so pretty, but it just don't go with the eye look. So I am going to be wearing this one around today just to see about the wear time. But I'm going to go ahead and take this one off and put it on top of the shade. I am going to tell you, if you can see my lips, they do stain. They stain bad. Lips have taken a beating. All right. All right, guys. Now we're going to put it on top of the same lip color. Ooh, God, that is gorgeous. It's cute, right? Cute. Really is. I like it. Alright guys, now I'm going to go ahead and get this off. Guys, so I will be right back. I'm going to reapply the first one because I think that is the best one to go with this eye look. I'm going to reapply it by itself, not with anything underneath. We're going to test out the wear time of these bad boys, and I will be right back. Now, I know I've got it all over my teeth, and actually it has stained around my mouth, so I'm going to try not to go nowhere today. I'm going to try to wear this around all day without going anywhere because my mouth is stained just red around it, and it's just a little bit painful to get off, if you know what I mean. But you know, you're not going through every day swatching all your lipsticks on your lips, so that usually happens when I am doing lip swatches because I'm just steady trying just too many of them, and I just put my lips through hell. But anyways, guys, I will be back later on. It'll just be seconds for you, tell you exactly how it wore, if it wore off, or whatever's the case. Alright guys, I have been wearing this all day long. Now it is now 9:30 p.m. So first of all, let's get a little bit closer. So as you can see, it is still there, and that is so scary. So scary. The color is still there, and it doesn't feel like it's wore at all. Now, when it's on, it doesn't feel like you're really wearing anything, but it is very, very drying. Like, my lips have been the driest I've ever felt them today, if that makes any sense. I mean, I can't feel the gloss on there, but I can feel my lips are like super, super dry. So when you are using this, I would suggest just using this for a topper. I really wouldn't wear it by itself like me because I think it's going to be just a major bitch to get off. But as for wear time, man, these things are awesome. Amazing on wear time. But I would wear it just as a topper on top of something else so it comes off a little bit easier. And remember, if you're using some kind of a lip oil or something, I think that would be really, really necessary to use with this gloss. And that is something really weird to say because it is just a gloss. It's not supposed to wear like this. This is like a liquid lip, a very drying liquid lip, but the colors are beautiful. The wear time is beautiful. It's just going to be very, very drying on your lips. So guys, that is it for this wear test and testing out these L.A. Color metallic lippies, which I find really amazing. Now, I am contemplating going back and getting the darker berry shade ones, but I don't know, guys, if my lips can take it. So if you enjoyed seeing the video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tarts family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you next video. Bye, guys.